In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revisit Reels you've watched on Instagram on Android and iOS. Instagram doesn't offer a simple built-in watch history for Reels, but there are reliable workarounds that help you retrace what you've seen. First, check your liked Reels. Open your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right, go to your activity, then interactions, and open likes. From here, use the filter so you're viewing only Reels. This list shows clips you actively tapped like on, which makes it a quick way to pull up favorites. Just remember, anything you watched without liking won't appear here. Next, look at your saved Reels. From your profile, tap the menu again and choose Saved. If you regularly save clips you want to revisit, this becomes your personal library. It's great for building collections so you can find clips later. For a more comprehensive look, download your Instagram data. Head to your profile, tap the menu, go to your activity, and find Download Your Information. Select the date range and the types of information you want to include, then submit the request. Instagram will prepare a file and send you a download link by email. When you open that file, you'll find a history of videos you watched, including Reels, along with timestamps and the accounts associated with them. This can take some time to arrive, and the file may be large. Treat it like an archive. Review it privately and avoid sharing it, since it contains your personal activity. If you remember who posted the reel, there's also a straightforward approach. Search for that account's profile and browse their Reels tab. Creators often keep their Reels accessible, so you can usually locate the clip by scrolling their recent posts. Because Instagram doesn't maintain a direct watch history, these options are the closest ways to locate previously viewed Reels on both Android and iOS. Start with likes and saves for fast results. Use the data download when you need detailed history with dates, and rely on profile search when a creator's name sticks out in your memory. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.